In this video, I am going to show you how you can create an iCloud email or iCloud account or Apple account very easily from our iPhone or from our iPad. At first, we need to tap on the settings. On your iPhone or iPad, we'll see settings. Once we tap on the settings, it will open like this type of window. On the top left corner, we'll see settings, and next to it, we'll see sign in to your iPhone or iPad. We just need to tap over there, and once we tap over there, then we'll find this type of screen where it is showing Apple ID, and there is a text box where you can type the Apple ID or iCloud account if you already have. Our goal is to create a brand new iCloud email account or Apple ID, so we have to choose the next option. Don't have an Apple ID or forget it. We just need to tap over there to start creation of our iCloud email or Apple ID. So I'm going to tap it over don't have an Apple ID or forget it over there, and very shortly we'll be seeing this type of screen. It has couple of options, like three options. As we don't have any Apple ID, so we have to choose the first option, create Apple ID. Once we tap over there, it will bring us this screen where we need to type the first name, last name, and date of birth. I'm going to complete all of these three fields, and then I'm going to press the next screen. Once I press the next screen, it will bring us this screen. Here it is asking to type the email address. Our goal was to create an iCloud email account or Apple ID. So I'm not going to type anything over there. Rather, I'm going to tap the link, don't have an email account. So I'm going to tap it over there. And once we tap over there, it will bring this type of screen. Don't have an email address, so it is offering us to create an email account, which is the iCloud email, so we don't need to think about other email. So I'm going to choose get an iCloud email address, this option, and I'm going to tap it over there. Once I tap it over there, it is bringing this screen. Here we need to type our own unique email, which will be the iCloud email. So I'm going to type on email. Here we need to choose one unique email address which nobody till today use it. If we use unused email, then Apple will stop me to go further and we'll get this type of message. Email address already taken, something like that. So that means we cannot use this email address. I'm going to tap on OK button, and once I press OK, then I have to type another email address which may be unique. So I'm going to try that email address. Like FewSteps, I'm going to add some number like 007. And last part we don't need to type, like at iCloud.com. And here once we press next, then it is showing this account is valid. That means we can use this email address. So I'm going to tap the create email address, this option. And now we need to type a strong password. I'm going to type a strong password, and once we type the strong password, then we again need to tap on the next on the top right corner. Now we need to add our phone number. Here I'm going to type my phone number, and once I type the phone number, Apple will send me on verification code. To do this thing, we just need to tap on next button, and once we tap the next button, it will give us on text. And now I need to type the text or number from my phone. So I'm going to type it over here, and once I type it over there, I'm going to press the next button one more time. Once we successfully verified our phone number, then Apple will bring us this type of terms and condition page. We must need to agree, otherwise we cannot continue. I'm going to tap on agree, and again it is asking us to agree again. I'm going to tap one more time by pressing the agree button over here, and very shortly we'll get this type of error message or warning. This is a bug, so far I know, like could not create account, but don't worry, just press OK button and wait for few seconds, like 30 seconds, and you will see that everything is fine. You don't need to do anything. So I'm just waiting, and here it is trying to do something. See, here it is doing something in the backend, like signing into iCloud. Previously it showed that I am unable to create this account, but still it is creating the account. So this is a bug. I don't know how this bug is there, but don't do anything. Just wait till this screen is finished and you will see on welcome screen like that. If the iPad has any passcode, then it will ask us to type the passcode. So I'm going to type the passcode for my iPad. Once I type the passcode for my iPad, then I have to wait few more seconds, like another 10 to 20 seconds, and then we'll see that our account, that means our iCloud email account, is logged in successful. This iCloud email is actually the Apple ID also. So now we have our iCloud email or Apple ID or iCloud account, everything we have. So that's it. In this way, we can easily create a brand new iCloud email account or Apple ID from our iPhone or iPad.